I wake up grateful for this day. I choose my thoughts, I choose my way. Before I move, before I speak, I set my energy for the week. I listen to my morning songs, millionaire muses all day long. I fill my mind with wealth and peace. I watch my blessings start to increase. Good morning to my dreams coming true. Good morning to the abundant new. I start my day with magic vibes. This is how a queen survives. I don't check my phone, I check my soul.